Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students. You must be fine hopefully today. Let us understand this narration. Look at the board please all of you. I need your 100% attention. Fully focused. Now you fix your eyes onto the board. And fix your ears onto my voice. Ears to my voice. Eyes to board. Clear? Until and unless you give 100% attention to my voice and the board, you won't understand anything. Clear? No class start. Stand up. You stand up. This is for you people as well. I just point out the students by just putting the light on them. Clear? Look at the board please. What do you want? He said to her. Let's see how it is changed. Said to is changed into asked. He asked her. Why this her is over here? Why this her is over here? Because this replaces with this one. This is subjective case. This is objective. Clear? So it will be her over here. He asked her what she wanted. Clear? Why this she over here? He asked her. No, he said to her. He asked her. He said to her will be changed into ask her what she wanted. You will be changed according to her, and this is subjective case. Subjective case of her is she over here. No, it's correct. Okay. So it will be she. He asked her what she wanted. Want will be changed into why wanted. Why wanted? Can you tell me the reason why wanted is over here? Why not want? Be smart. Be intelligent. Because sad is outside the inverted commas. Past tense. When there is past tense in the inverted comma, outside the inverted commas, clear? In reporting speech there is past tense. So first you can say form of the verb in inverted commas changes into second form, or in reported speech changes into second form. Want will be changed into what is the second form of want? Wanted. So it will be he asked her. This will remain same. He asked her. Said to will be changed into asked. Clear? He asked her what she wanted. Clear? So try to know the reason how the you can say direct speech is changed into indirect speech. He said, "How's your father?" So it will be he asked. Said will be changed into asked. He asked how her father was. How will remain same. So this will be changed according to second person pronoun. Which case it is? Possessive case. Clear? This will be changed according to you can say this one object of the second person pronoun changed according to the object of reporting speech. Clear? In reporting speech there is no object. Clear? He said, definitely he said to her. Clear? So here the object will be her. Clear? So it is implied. Object is implied or understood. If there is no object, then object is implied. Clear? So it will be he asked how her father. Your father will be changed according to this one, this her, okay? So how her father was. Is MR changes into was. Clear? How is your father is MR change. Why is MR changes into was? Why is MR changes into was? You should note it down. Whenever I give you information, note it down. If there is past tense in reported speech, see past tense is there in reported speech. If there is past tense outside the inverted commas, clear? Is MR changes into was verb. Is MR changes into was verb. Clear? So it will be he asked how her father was. So why how her father was? Because we will have to change it into statement, not the question. If we write he asked how was her father, it will be, you can say question sentence, interrogative sentence. We will have to change it into simple one. So if we want to change it into simple one, it will be he asked how her father was. Next one, he asked, are you coming home with me? If reporting speech, this is the reporting speech. If reporting speech starts with verb or helping verb, see, the part inside inverted commas starts with verb or helping verb. This is helping verb. Clear? Are you coming home with me? Rather, it's verb, because it's alone. It's starting with the verb. So we use if or whether. If or whether by changing it into indirect speech. Clear? If part, note it down, if part inside inverted commas starts with verb or helping verb, if part inside, everybody is writing? If part inside inverted commas starts with verb, VERB verb, or helping verb, or helping verb, if or whether, put if in inverted commas, or whether, 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 if or whether is used while converting into indirect speech. Now you remember this point. Note it down and remember it. Remember this rule. So it will be, he asked, this will remain same, he asked. Why if or here? Why we are using if or here?
It is inside inverted commas.
Because the part inside inverted commas is starting with verb. Clear? It is starting with the verb. That's the reason we are using if or here. Why she or here? Why she or here? He asked if she was coming home with him. This you will be changed according to the, you can say, object of reporting speech. Object over here is implied. It is her. He asked her. Clear? So this you, if we change it according to the object, it is her. This is subjective case. Subjective case of her is she. Clear? So it will be he asked if she. Why was over here?
Past tense.
Why was over here? Why not? Why not are? Note it down. Is, am, are changes into was verb. Note it down. Put a asterisk on your rough notebooks. Is, am, are changes into was verb. Is, am, are changes into was verb. Did you note it? Is it noted?
Yes.
Okay. He asked if she was coming home with. Why this him over here? This me will be changed according to this is objective case. So it will be replaced by this one. This is the first person pronoun. They change according to the subject of the reporting speech. Clear? This is the subject of reporting speech. Clear? So subjective case will be this is the objective case. Subjective case of he is him. Clear? What is the objective case of he? What is the objective case of he? Students, I am asking you, where are you? Are you in my class? I have told you what is the objective case of him. It is him. What is the objective case of he? Him. So it will be he asked if she was coming home with him. That's how it is solved. Next one, he inquired, when do you intend to pay me? He inquired, when do you intend to pay me? So it will be same, he inquired when. This will be changed into according to the object. It means it will be he inquired her. Her is implied. Her is implied. Clear? You may write her over here in the bracket. Clear? Her is implied. So this will be second person pronoun changes according to the object is her. Okay. So this is subjective case. Subjective case of her is she. What is the subjective case of her? She. Clear? So he inquired her. He inquired when she. Intend will be changed into. Why intended? Because there is past tense outside inverted commas. Inquired. Clear? So it will be intended. Are you getting my point? Note it down. If there is past tense outside inverted commas, first form changes into second, and second changes into third with the addition of had before it. Note it down. If there is past tense used outside inverted commas, first form of verb inside inverted commas changes into second form, and if there is already second form, we change it into third form with the addition of had before it. With the addition of had before it. So it will be he inquired when she intended to pay him. Clear? So why this him over here? Why this him over here? Let me know please. This is me over here. Which case it is? Objective, subjective, or possessive? Which case it is? Objective case. Me is objective case. Clear? Me is the objective case. Clear? This will be changed according, first person pronoun change according to the subject of reporting stage. This is the subject, subject is subjective case. Clear? So objective case of this is him. Clear? He inquired when she intended to pay him. He inquired when she intended to pay him. Next one, he said to us, why are you all sitting about there doing nothing? Again it will be, he asked us why. You will be changed according to this one. Which case it is? Subjective or objective or possessive? Which case it is? Ahmed?
Possessive.
No, possessive is your.
It's objective case.
Subjective case. Why are you? Subjective case, this will be changed. Second person pronoun change according to the object of reporting speech. Clear? This is the object. Object is us. Clear? So what is the subjective case of us? We. Subjective case of us is we. So case changes with the case. Case is replaced with the case. So it will be, he asked us why we. Why were? Why not are? I've already told you.
When they past tense outside.
Yes, when there is past tense outside inverted commas, is MR changes into was were. Clear? So if it is we were. He asked us why we were all sitting. Here changes into there. Why we were all sitting there doing nothing. Clear? Next one. Do you really come from China? Said the prince. It means said the prince to her. Said the prince to her. Clear? So it will be the prince asked if she. Do you will be changed into? This is you. It changes according to the object. Object is her. Okay. And this is subjective case. You is subjective case. Subjective case of her is. What is the subjective case of her? She. Subjective case of her is she. Clear? I think first of all I should teach you the cases, because all of you are confused and not understanding anything. Clear? So I will do my level best to give you the next lecture on the cases. Do you really come from China? Said the prince to her. So the prince asked her if she really come will be changed into came. Come is the first form.
Came.
Second form. Why second form over here? Because past tense. It's not say, it is said. Because of the past tense, come will be changed into came. First form changes into second form. That is second. Came is the second form. Come is the third form again. Clear? So the prince asked her if she really came from China. Clear? So that's what the narration was. Okay. And if you have any question or queries, please let me know. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.